Hey everybody, it's Street Auto Plaza located in Mount Carmel, Illinois. Today we got something special, really cool. I love this car. 2007 Mercedes SL 550 Roadster. It does have the AMG Sports Package. It's got that 5.5 liter V8 automatic transmission and 58,000 original miles. Really nice unit. It's been in my garage for a while. I love this car. We're going to take you on a virtual tour, show you all imperfections, go through the entire thing. Both front headlights, excellent condition. A few minor rock chips up here. There's a little bitty one right here. Not really seeing anything on the hood. Here's one right here, actually. Other than that, I really can't find much. Going down this driver's side first, up here by this headlight, we do have a couple scratches up in here. Bottom front fairing is in good condition. It does have aftermarket rims. They are ROHANA brand. Tires are basically brand new. A little bit of curb rash right here. Other than that, really excellent. Front fender, nothing else to note there. It does have the AMG badge. It does have a little bit of dilapidation on it. Right up here, it does have, look like somebody have scratched it and has touched it up. A little minor little scratch right here and here. Driver's front door. There's a little bitty ding. I mean, it's really bitty. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's right there. It's a little bitty rock chip right there. But nothing else really to see. Rear quarter, we do have a light little scratch right here. We'll put the top back up and we'll show you everything like that here in a minute. Back of the rear quarter, back of bumper cover is good. Back rim, excellent condition. All the tires. Come around the back side of this bumper. Bottom, there's a little bitty scratch right here. Nothing else to note. Right back here on the deck lid, there is some cracking in the paint right here. Other than that, nothing to note, and it's good condition up here on top. Going around this side, we do have some fade in this taillight. Bumper cover on the bottom, good. Quarter up here is, it's a little rock chip right here. Somebody's touched it up. Rest of it's good condition. Rims in excellent condition. Front door, don't really see anything to note there. Front quarter or fender right here, I'm not really seeing anything to note there either. Coming up on here. Rim, a little bit right here, but that's it. This is a super nice car. Like I said, I've been driving it. It's been in my garage. Let's go through the interior. Door skin's excellent condition. You got a little storage spot here on each side. Put your sunglasses, etc. You can move the seats here and heated seats. This is power there, and all does function. You can see it's moving back and forth. It does have the pulse function in here, and heat your back, or move your back, etc. It does have these AMG inserts somebody's put in. It does have books. Dash is intact. It's got little storage compartments in the back. One's open, I need to close it. Go back here to the trunk. So back here, of course, we got this. I probably should have done this when it was up. Back here, I'll show you here in a second. This comes with the car. It's an install kit for the radio. It does have an aftermarket radio. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, it's that piece. Your radio goes inside that. The one that's on it has scratches and stuff on it. So this comes with it. It's brand new. This was a dash cover. We just left it in here as a license plate cover. Cargo net, etc. Everything's stacked up in here, your hardtop. And we'll do your top here in a minute. Just make sure your trunk, which that may not be like it. Make sure that's down good. It wasn't. Yeah, make sure that's down good, else it won't do the top. All right, driver's side, you're always, that's probably for me getting in and out of it. Door skin's in good condition. You always hit your foot right here getting out of this thing. So that's my dirt off my shoe there. There are some few scratches down here on this side. Of course, the seat does have a little bit of stuff in here, but in pretty good shape, no rips or tears, anything like that. Got some storage boxes in the back. Of course, it's power and it functions. This car runs great. Right now we got 58,011 on the miles. It's 58,011 on the miles. This is a really cool car. I'll show you right here. So this is the piece, this piece right here. And it's I don't know, messed up right in here. You can see it, it's over here too. So that comes with a brand new piece. It matches the color of it, etc. We're gonna go ahead and start this thing up. Starts up great. No issues there. There's a tag. Your throttle response is right on the money. This thing handles great. I mean, you want to talk about fast, this thing is fast. Let's go through all your functions here. Let's do your windows real quick, and they all do function. Of course, the top's down. They have to. We're going to leave those down just a little bit so the top can come back up. So we went through here. Heated seats. You see those come on. It does work. And there's your cooled seats. Fan comes on, and they work good too. Let's do your other side. Heated seats and your cooled seats. Your fan comes on, memory, etc. Oh shoot! All right, moving on here. Volume control. It works your radio. Agree. It's got navigation. Hopefully you can see this with the sun in here. We've got the top up. Backup camera. Everything functions as it should. These buttons right here, this lifts up, these two right here, will lift this shade, air dam shade down. So we'll go ahead and put that down now. And let's, I guess, go ahead and put the top up. So guys, this is just an awesome car. It's probably one I probably shouldn't sell. Auto function on the headlights, of course. Does have paddle shifters up here if you need to be. Like I said, it does do the radio here, and is it all functioning. Reverse camera is real nice and clear. It's a Kenwood. This is a really nice stereo. Again, it does have these inserts here on both sides of these things here. It does lower, and I don't know if you guys will see it. Let's go ahead and open the door. You probably won't, but I'm gonna try here. So if you push this button here once, it'll raise the car, and if you push it again, it'll raise it even higher. So I'm gonna go ahead and press it. You can see the light come on. I don't know if you guys can see it, but we are raising up. And if you press it again, we come up higher, and this is to get up over speed bumps, etc. This thing does set fairly low. And then if you press it one more time, we will go back towards the ground. I don't know if you guys can see this in the video, but everything works as it should. Really cool function. This button right here takes your rear trunk up. Moving on, let's see. Dual climate control, of course. Everything works as it should. It does have an ashtray and 12 volt in there. Parking sensors, etc. You would put in sport mode. I honestly do not know what that is. You may have to look that one up. Here's your mirrors, good to go there. And there's good to go there. Trying to think of anything else. Your phone. I'm not sure if that. I never have. Let's just press it. It does something, so it does function as it should, I guess. It's not hooked up to my phone, so. Lighting, of course, windshield wipers, turn signals, coast, excel, cruise control, it all functions. Wipers. Trying to go through anything else. Here's your lock and unlocks up here. I think I've gotten everything. Like I said, guys, this is a really awesome car. I love it. It drives awesome too. So let's go look under the hood. That's your 5.5 liter. And this is what I'm talking about. You're gonna hit that getting out, and that's where all these scratches come in right here over this thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do this with one hand, opening this hood, but we'll try it. It's not easy. There you go. So guys, really nice car. It'll make a great addition to somebody's garage for sure. And it is fun to drive. That's for definite sure. All right guys, little recap. 07 Mercedes SL 550 Roadster. It's got the AMG Sports Package. It's got that 5.5 liter V8 automatic transmission with the paddle shifters. 58,000 miles. Again, 58,000 miles in this thing. You got any more questions for me, give me a call at 618-450-2600, or you can get us on the web at nicestreetautoplaza.com. You can see the CARFAX's video and this video at nicestreetautoplaza.com. Like I said, guys, really cool car. Give us a call. Come check it out. Hope this video helped your buying experience. You guys have a wonderful day.